Philippians 4 verse 8. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things. That's a message of the Lord for you today, that God wants your mind to be pure, and God wants your mind to have good things, and God wants your mind to keep on focusing to Him, and God wants your mind to be filled with good things only. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.